festival?
Pink Pony asks too many questions.
Everything is buried in snow! What are we gonna do?
Yak's fine. Snowfall from mountains all the time.
All the time?
Every Yaks Fest.
Okay, avalanches like this completely bury all your homes every Yaks Fest? Really?
This is Big Avalanche. But not a problem, for Yaks are tough. Yaks dig through snow. Won't take long.
Oh, good. You have an emergency plan in place. Here, let me help. I'm tired. We must be almost done. There's still snow everywhere?
Yaks, keep digging.
Oh.
Yaks, stop digging. Makes situation worse.
Okay, don't worry, Prince Rutherford. I'll go back to Ponyville and ask for help. Twilight and the others will be happy to come dig the snow away. After all, many hooves make light work. Right, Gummy?
Yaks no need pony help.
Oh, well, I'm sure it'll be okay, because you probably have a plan B.
Yes. Yaks wait for snow to melt.
All this snow? It'll take 1,000 moons before it melts.
Yaks known for their patience.
Well, be that as it may, in the meantime, what will you eat? Where will you sleep?
Yaks can make this work. Hardship make Yaks the strong Yaks that Yaks are. If Pink Pony disagrees, then she can leave Yakakistan and never return.
Of course Pink Pony agrees with you. Hey, let's try out some snow recipes. Snow cakes, snow spaghetti, snow sandwiches. Yaks can make this work.
Yak tired. Yak retired to new sleeping hut. Snow cake good.
Just the right balance of cold and water.
Ah! Stop! Yak eating new eating hut.
Psst, Prince Rutherford, what are we doing?
It's obvious. This new music hut.
Oh, so we're slaying to...
Shh! Pink Pony ruined snow music with talking.
What was Yak? Yak's stomach rumbles. Yak hungry. Shh! Prince Yak will hear Yak. But snow worse than Yak ever seen. Yak, no. Yak hungry too.
Gummy, did you hear that? They can't make it work.
Yak, stop swaying. Music over.
If Twilight and the others knew what was going on, they would be here to help in a pony's heartbeat. We have to convince Prince Rutherford that asking for help is okay. Will you help me, Gummy? Thank you. And see, asking you to help wasn't hard at all. Pink Pony has gathered you around the new ceremonial Yak fire pit to tell you a story. A Yak tradition, right? Yay! This is a story about a group of goats who live in the desert. There was a sandstorm and their entire village was buried in sand. There was nothing they could do. They knew they could not survive on only eating sandwiches. Get it? Okay. Anyway, finally, the goat's brave, wise leader, let's just call him Prince Rutherford, decides that they couldn't do it by themselves. So he asked the neighboring town of Bovineville to come help them. Yeah, cows! The magical cows helped the goats, everyone survived and lived happily ever after. Because they asked for help. The end! So what is the moral of that story? Is it A, asking for help is okay? B, asking for help saves the day? Or C, asking for help is good for every pony?
D, goats weak and horrible. Magic bovines need to stay out of goats' business.
Not quite. Any yak wanna shout out another answer?